Everyone, showing you how to access the fuse box in the glove box on the Ariya. So the official instructions have you removing these foot plates and the side, but that's actually not necessary. First thing you have to do is remove this side box here. It does require some tool. I have these bike tire levers that kind of will work, but basically you just get in there little like that and pry up. It's just got some clips holding it. You can see here. You don't have to remove the whole way, just need to get that bottom part here open, yeah, so that this glove box can come out. Next step is you need to remove some screws. So there's 6 different screws. Already took some of them out. You can see here, looks like these screws. There's 3 up on top here. 1, 2, and 3 there. And then there's 3 on the bottom. So to get to the bottom, there's this little cover here, yeah. And you pull it down. It's just got clips, so you just pull it with a little force. Comes down like that. You can look underneath here. So I already also removed them here, but there's 1, 2 screws. And then there's another one over here, back down here. Don't know how well you can see that. Yeah, right here. Yeah, that's the 3rd one. So once you got all those 3 removed, got the side removed, then just kind of pull this out from the bottom here. It comes out like that. Notice, yeah, the whole side here is coming out. Make sure it's unclogged. And now you can see it's coming down. So there's a wire here, so be careful. I want to strap this here. You'll see there's a little clip there. So push down on that and then pull it out. Then this, yeah, it's holding on there. So I want to pull this out. Okay, to remove this clip, you can't pull straight up, you have to kind of pull at an angle like this. Yeah. But angle, pull, and then it'll snap off. And then once you have that removed, you can see there's that fuse box there, so you can plug in the dash cam.